Exceptional great room. Very respectful, helpful and clean like always, and very nice and respectful people. Clean, very helpful and clean. Exceptional single mom with baby, and the place is decent for the price. Exceptional, I always stay here, the price is decent and the rooms are much nicer than anywhere else I've been, it's worth the $85. Exceptional, good for price. Breakfast, their breakfast is a bit cheap, they are donuts and chocolate muffins. Great place, very friendly customer service. Good breakfast and area is clean and quiet. Would stay here anytime I come to Ga. Exceptional, nice place to stay, friendly staff. Exceptional, place is great. I appreciate the staff. Thank you. Quiet and clean. I've stayed here with my fiancé about 6 to 7 times waiting on our townhouse to be finished, and each time, I'm not disappointed. We both get a good night's rest and the beds are very comfortable. Convenient place, great for convenience and value for your money. Nice staff, clean room. Friendly staff, clean rooms. Exceptional, great place. Exceptional, this place was very nice, no loud noises, clean and comfortable. The staff was awesome. I would definitely stay here again. Exceptional, best value for your money, period. Exceptional. Was very clean, staff was very professional and took the to help with any questions or problems quickly. Thanks for a great experience. Exceptional, great stay at American Best Value Inn. Excellent service provided. The room was acceptable, but I made my reservation with Agoda and selected smoking, but when I checked out they charged me $100.00 for smoking in the room even though I had specifically asked for a room with smoking. The motel said that on weekends they do not offer rooms that allow smoking, so Agoda should have never booked this room as a room that allowed smoking, and if I wanted smoking I should have asked for it when I checked in, but this was never communicated to me either by Agoda or the motel. Exceptional, great room.